Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a watercolor painting, but first I want to show you a couple of things from Meeden. First, this one here is a 10-drawer wooden supply storage box. It's portable. It's beechwood, and the color is mahogany. I have a also here's porcelain paint palette, heavy duty studio one. It's got two strips here on the top, just like here. Each one has it, and then it slides in like this. So you can use either one, you can use two, you can get more, and stack them on top of each other without them moving. All right, here it is. Very heavy porcelain. A lot of areas to put your paints. Mix your paints in here, in the corners as well. I've got a cover. It comes with a cover. So it just covers it like that. So if you want to keep your paints a little more moist, you can by using the cover. All right, very nice. I love it. I love it, and I love this. It's so elegant, this here. It's gorgeous. If you would like to purchase any of the items that I'm showing you today, I have a link to their website in my description below this video. And I have 12% off your total order. If you wish to order through me, there's a code there for you. First of all, these are my watercolor pencils. I've got quite a few of those. Got 2 drawers of those. 2 drawers. And there's some of my watercolor brushes. There's some Meeden ones in here as well as others. I've got some paints, some watercolor paints, and some gouache paint. Also from Meeden. I've got more watercolors. They're Meeden paints. And here I've got some of my pens, my markers that I use when I'm embellishing some of my artwork. Some more watercolors, some more pens. I only have a couple of little things in here. I still have one drawer to do. So these are some of my acrylic paints. They're also Meeden paints. And got some in here as well. Some more acrylic Meeden paints. Okay. I will get ready for my watercolor. I will mix up my paints and I'll begin.